Hello, and welcome to our channel, The Roaming Investor. Today, we're going to talk about ways to find strengths that can help you succeed financially. Have you ever heard the term niche and wondered what it means? Or maybe you're interested in the travel industry and curious about the different niches that exist within it. In this video blog, we will explore what niches are, why they are important, how to find your niche, and some examples of niches in the travel industry. Before we begin, please make sure to subscribe and hit the like button to support more content from this channel. So, what exactly is a niche? A niche is a specific segment of a larger market that targets a particular group of customers with unique needs, interests, or preferences. In other words, it's a smaller, specialized market within a larger market. Why are niches important? Niches are beneficial because they allow businesses to differentiate themselves from their competitors and offer targeted products or services to a specific group of customers. This leads to higher profits, customer loyalty, and brand recognition. Niche markets or niches, which refer to a specific segment of a larger market, can be beneficial in many ways. Here are some reasons why niches are good. 1. Targeted marketing. Niche markets allow companies to tailor their marketing efforts to a specific audience. By targeting a specific niche, companies can create targeted messaging that speaks directly to the needs and interests of that particular group, resulting in more effective marketing. 2. Lower competition. Niche markets tend to have lower competition than larger markets, which can make it easier for companies to establish themselves as leaders in their field. With less competition, companies have the opportunity to differentiate themselves and build a strong brand reputation within their niche. 3. Higher profits. By focusing on a specific niche, companies can often charge premium prices for their products or services. This is because their offering is unique and tailored to the needs of a specific group, which can result in higher profit margins. 4. Innovation. Niche markets often require companies to think creatively and innovate in order to meet the unique needs and demands of their audience. This can lead to the development of new and innovative products or services that can be beneficial not only to the niche market but to the larger market as well. So how do niches work? When a business identifies a niche, it can tailor its products or services to meet the specific needs and interests of that particular group. By doing so, the business can differentiate itself from its competitors and establish a strong brand reputation within the niche market. So, how can you find your niche in the travel industry? Finding your niche for traveling can be a fun and exciting process. Here are some steps you can take to help you discover your niche. 1. Determine your interests. First, identify your interests and passions. Consider what unique skills or experiences you have that could be leveraged in a travel niche. Think about the things that interest you the most. Do you love history, art, food, or adventure? What are your hobbies? Do you like hiking, photography, or meeting new people? Use these interests to narrow down your travel options. 2. Consider your budget. Different types of travel can vary greatly in cost. Think about how much money you are willing and able to spend on your travels. This will help you to choose destinations and experiences that fit within your budget. 3. Research destinations. Once you have an idea of what interests you and what you can afford, start researching destinations that match your criteria. Look for places that offer the activities, attractions, and experiences that you are looking for. Research different niches within the travel industry and evaluate which ones align with your interests and passions. 4. Try something new. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try something new. Consider visiting a destination that is different from what you are used to, or trying a new activity that you have never done before. Assess the level of competition within each niche and determine which one offers the most potential for success. 5. Reflect on your experiences. After each trip, take some time to reflect on what you enjoyed most about the experience. This can help you to refine your travel niche and plan future trips that are even more tailored to your interests and preferences. There are many possible niches within the travel industry, and the following are just a few examples. 1. Adventure travel. This niche involves offering trips that involve outdoor activities such as hiking, rafting, climbing, or wildlife safaris. 2. Luxury travel. This niche targets travelers who are willing to pay a premium for high-end experiences, such as 5-star hotels, private tours, and exclusive access to attractions. 3. Cultural immersion travel. This niche involves offering trips that focus on experiencing local cultures and customs, such as culinary tours, language immersion programs, or homestays. 4. Sustainable travel. This niche focuses on offering environmentally responsible travel options, such as ecotourism, carbon-neutral trips, or sustainable accommodations. 5. Wellness travel. This niche targets travelers looking to improve their physical or mental well-being, such as yoga retreats, spa vacations, or fitness-focused trips. 6. Volunteer travel. This niche involves offering trips that allow travelers to volunteer and make a positive impact on local communities, such as conservation projects, social welfare initiatives, or disaster relief efforts. 7. Family travel. This niche targets families with young children and offers kid-friendly activities and accommodations, such as theme park vacations, beach resorts, or educational trips. 8. Solo travel. This niche focuses on solo travelers who are looking for unique and immersive experiences, such as solo adventure trips, solo cultural trips, or solo wellness trips. Remember, your travel niche may evolve over time as you gain new experiences and interests. This is why it is important to enjoy the journey. There are many possible niches within the travel industry, including adventure travel, luxury travel, cultural immersion travel, sustainable travel, wellness travel, volunteer travel, and family travel. Each of these niches offers unique opportunities and challenges, so it's important to choose one that aligns with your interests, skills, and goals. So, what is the easiest way to start working on a niche in the travel industry? One low-cost way to start is by creating a travel blog or social media account focused on a particular niche. This allows you to establish yourself as an expert in the niche, build a following, and earn money through advertising or sponsored content. Another low-cost option could be offering tours or activities in a lesser-known destination or starting a homestay or vacation rental business. In summary, niches are specific segments of a larger market that target a particular group of customers. It's not possible to say which niche is the easiest and fastest for earning in the travel industry. The amount of time and effort it takes to establish a profitable business within a particular niche can vary depending on many factors, including the level of competition, the size of the target market, the quality of the products or services offered, and the marketing strategy used. Even if you choose a niche that is popular or has the potential for high profits, it's important to have realistic expectations and be prepared to put in the time and effort required to build a successful business. The key to success in any niche is to identify a need or gap in the market, offer a high-quality product or service, and effectively market your business to your target audience. They are beneficial for businesses because they allow for targeted marketing, differentiation, higher profits, and innovation. And remember, starting any business takes hard work, dedication, and patience. But with a little bit of effort, you can establish yourself as a leader in your chosen niche and build a successful business. Thank you for watching, and happy travels.
If you're enjoying the content on this channel, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest videos. By doing so, you'll be helping to support the channel and keep us motivated to create more great content for you to enjoy.